us. Blue color, light pink color, dark pink color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, and the next one is red color, sky blue color, black color. Kids, the next one is Persian blue color, silver color. Stay with us. The next one is white color, brown color. Now we open the color of orange. Yes, the last one is orange. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. So kids, first we're using the color of blue, and now we're writing the alphabet of A, B, C, D, E. The next one is F. The next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. Light green color. H for hand. I, J, K, L, M. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Now you draw O, P, Q for queen. The next one is R, S, T for tiger, U for umbrella. Now using the color of sky blue color. V. The next one is W, X, Y, and the last one A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, R. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabet A to R. Geranium color. Now we open the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of A. A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. Exactly. Stay with us. E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're writing the alphabet of G. And the next one is yes. H. Exactly. I. Stay with us. The next one is J. Yes. K. L for lion, L for lemon. Now we're writing the alphabet of M. Yes, M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose. P. The next one is P. Now we're writing the alphabet of Q. And the next one is R. Thanks. First we're opening colors. Rose, big color. The next one is pale blue, light color. Now we open the color of baby blue color. Baby blue color. Raw silk color. Yellow green color. Yellow green color. Light violet color. Black color. Exactly. Kids, the next one is scarlet color. Geranium color. Forest green color. Emerald green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Stay with us till we draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, first we're using the color of black, and now we're writing alphabets. Black color. A. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball. Now we draw the alphabet of C. The next one is D. Stay with us. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. Yes, E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F, F for fish. Now we're using the color of rose big. F, F for fish. The next one is G, G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw the alphabet of I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The next one is J. K. K for kite. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Pale blue light color. Now we're using the color of pale blue light and writing the alphabet of M. M for moon. N for nose. The next one is O. O for octopus. P for penguin. The next one is numbers. First rewriting the number of 1. O-N-E 1. 2. 3. The next one is 4. Yellow color. The number of 4. And the next one is 5. F-I-V-E 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X 6. 7. 8. Kids, now we draw the number of 9. And the last one is 10. TEN 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.